Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to mute notification on TikTok. There are two ways. I will guide you step by step. First step is to make sure you have the application and you're logged into your account. Here you can see I am already in my home page. Now at the top right, you can see three-line icon. Tap on that. And there you can see the option settings and privacy. Simply tap on that. And now here you can see the option notification. Simply tap on that. Various options will be given and you need to turn off all the notification. You can also turn off notification according to your choice. For example, if you don't want to have the likes notification, then you can simply toggle off the button. Or else if you want to mute all the notification, then you need to simply toggle off all the buttons. Then you will stop getting notification from all these options. Now another option is to go to your settings. Now at your setting page, there you can see notification. You need to tap on that. Now here you need to search for the TikTok application. After you find TikTok application, simply tap on that. And here you can see my notification is on. Now simply toggle off the button. And now I won't be receiving any notification from TikTok application. And these are the way on how you can mute notification on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.